Hello, this demonstration provides instructions for migrating or backing up PowerVS to the cloud using Wayne Cloud's Migration and Disaster Recovery (DR) solution on the VPC Plus platform. Carefully adhere to these guidelines to ensure a seamless migration and DR process. Step 1. Log in to the VPC Plus platform using your credentials and navigate to PowerVS under the Disaster Recovery tiles located on the left side of your screen. Step 2. In the PowerVS section, click on Download Agent and add Power Virtual Server and follow Wayne Cloud's instructions on the application app to set up your agent. Once set up, the agent will be displayed with the name of your server in the Power Virtual Servers section. Step 3. Complete the migration/DR form by providing backup details, cloud credentials, region, and storage instance details. After form completion, click Next to establish the backup policy. For migration, take a single backup and restore upon completion. For a DR site setup, create a scheduled backup weekly, monthly, or yearly. Upon selecting the backup policy, click on the Done button to create the object as per your requirements. Step 5. Upon clicking Create, a PowerVS migration/DR object will be generated and listed in the Backups section. Click on Backups to monitor the process and backup details. Step 6. The agent will set up prerequisites for the backup. Once completed, it will commence the backup process. Snapshots of the server will be created during the Creating Snapshot phase. Once snapshots are created, they will be converted to a format compatible with the target cloud during the Converting Snapshot phase. Following the above processes, the converted snapshots will be uploaded to the target cloud object storage during the Uploading Snapshot phase. Step 7. Upon backup completion, backup server details will be listed. Review the details carefully and proceed to create new servers on the target cloud. Step 8. Click on Prerequisites for restoring backup in the Backups section. Follow the details provided by Wayne Clouds in the pop-up for restoring the server. Congratulations on successfully migrating or setting up a DR site for Power Virtual Server in the cloud and creating new servers on the target cloud environment. For further assistance or queries, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for choosing Wayne Clouds for your migration and DR needs.